JT Asphalt. JT Asphalt represents our pledge to provide premium, quality products and make them easily accessible. Our site is conveniently located between I-20, 285, 75, 85, and 675, near Moreland Avenue in the heart of Atlanta. Our asphalt mixes are GDOT approved and routinely tested to ensure optimal results. We have proudly served the community since October 2016 while providing Atlanta with the opportunity not only to gain employment, but also a career. JT Asphalt is an equal opportunity employer. We seek employees that value excellence and drive our continued success. Choose JT Asphalt, Atlanta's premier producer for all your asphalt needs. Your local premier producer? Give us a call and stop by.